Hi guys, and welcome back to another video. Today's video is in partnership with Yodo. They reached out to me and sent me a cooler and a picnic blanket with the idea that I would take my family on a picnic, but instead decided to take them to the beach. This cooler holds a ton of stuff. I was able to fit a whole bunch of bottles in here. Water bottles, my husband had a couple beers and stuff, and the ice lasted for several days. So it's a really good cooler, and I also like the blanket with the carry handle. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little trip. Lift this up. No, this one, the cooler. Oh.
Sorry, it's chunky ice.
Get her lunch out for her.
Yes, I do.
We are at the beach, and it's not too hot today. It's not really too hot, but I got cold water here thanks to our little cooler that we have over there. I don't know if you guys can see our cooler, but it's by a company named Yodo, the same company that they sent us a picnic blanket and also a waterproof. Honey, is it waterproof?
Yeah.
Yeah, they sent us a waterproof cooler. So far, I love.
If it's not waterproof, that means
I love. It hasn't leaked on us or anything.
Why would it leak?
Yeah, and so far I love the.
Is there coolers that are not waterproof?
I'm not sure.
I don't either.
So far, I love the cooler. It's really compact. Like you can transport it. Like it's easy. Is it? What would you call it, honey? Like it's easy to transport. Like it has a really good handle on it, and the kids are eating their lunch right now on the blanket. So. Madison. Hey girl. Hey beach bum. Are you okay?
You gonna dance, Maddie? You gonna dance? Okay, go dance.
Okay guys, so this blanket, Yodo sent it to me, and it took some time for me to actually use it and review it properly. I love the blanket. I love the blanket because of its versatility. You can take it to the beach. You can actually go on a picnic.
Hi,
you can sit out on your lawn. Yes, the beach. And yay. So you can do a lot of things with the blanket. It comes in 2 different styles. Shh, you're too loud. It comes in 2 different styles, and it folds up easily, and it also has a carry handle that you can carry it with, and I like the blanket. So like I was saying, I will leave a coupon code down below where you guys can purchase the cooler and the picnic blanket. It's gonna be 10% off, and also I'm gonna leave a link down below where you guys can shop these products. Anyways, let's get back to the vlog. we're gonna be here for a few days. We've been all over the place. First. Yeah, we went to New York first, and now we're at the beach, and it's kind of like cloudy.
But it's nice.
But it's really nice because the sun is not like out. Usually we'll like order an umbrella, and as you can see, we don't have an umbrella. And so yeah, gone are the days when I used to let my kids just sit by me and not have them down by the water, but right now they're all down by the water, and Destiny has Madison, so I'm kind of relaxed now because they kind of know their boundaries. And you know, like right now they're all down there somewhere, right there, and I don't feel, my anxiety is not like through the roof. I'm okay, but I personally don't go in the water because it's just dirty. I don't like to be in dirty water. I don't like it. Rob used to be in the dirty water, but he don't even take his shirt off anymore because he's afraid of sunburn. So anyways, I'm gonna go try to figure out how I'm gonna charge my phone, and I'll catch up with y'all later. Cold. It is cold. Oh my gosh. It is cold.
Not for me. Want to hold her?
No, you can hold her.
Hold her?
You can hold her. Bye. Are you hiding, Jordan?
Yep. No, you don't want to? You don't like that? Okay. Then sit back up there then.
She's like, no, I want to go with you.
Yeah, come on.
So we're out walking the boardwalk. I told Jordan I was gonna race him to the beach. I was like, on your mark, get set, go! And he took off. I'm like, nah. But we're on the boardwalk, waiting for Daddy. He went to go pee. Grandpa left? Grandpa left? Oh, I gotta go find my husband. There you are. We found you.
I'd love to win oh, DK. That looks so unstable.
It looks unstable.
I know, look at when you go down.
Is it unstable, Teeny? You gonna go on it?
No.
No?
I was thinking of it, but no.
Every time we come here, we gotta get Polish water. It's so good. So good. It's Polish. This flavor is mango, and this side is ice cream. So good. So good. Rob got, what did you get, Rob? He got chocolate and vanilla. The kids got, what did you get? Cotton candy. They all got cotton candy. So good.
Vanilla and
Vanilla and mango.
mango, yeah.
So good.
Let's try to go there.
It's delicious.
Huh? Funny thing is, I can never finish it.
Can't you usually get the Jaxson?
Well, Maddie usually does.
Maddie usually finish it, but she's not here. We're just hanging out with the original three, which feels so good. Just got back in and my water is cold, and this thing, there's still ice in here. It's been in here all morning, and it's nighttime. It's nighttime. Good morning, guys. Look, we still have ice. Oh my gosh, ice. It's morning time, like midday. I still have ice from yesterday morning. Water is still cold. Water is still nice and cold. So we're gonna put fresh ice in here and go back to the beach. Oh, I couldn't get the cooler. Come, Maddie.
Wait, Dre, you're going. Like
Another
my
day
new
at the
hat?
beach.
Best friend. Best friend. Like my new hat.
Yeah, I like the new hat. Babe, let me see. Let me get a shot. Look at that. Perfect.
Yeah, that works. Yeah, come on inside one.
Come, Maddie. Anyways, guys, we're back from vacation. Sorry, my phone died, and we left the following morning, so I didn't get to record much. That's the thing about recording on my phone, is that once it dies, it's just dead. But thank you guys so much for Yodo for partnering with me on that little trip. The cooler was amazing. The blanket was amazing. It came in very handy. And we had fun. We had a ton of fun. So thank you so much for sending those to our family. We really do appreciate it. And it will be used for years to come. And don't touch that, honey. Don't touch that. We're now home. The one is there. We're now home. Kids go back to school next week. And we enjoyed the summer. We went to the beach several times, and I'm just excited for next summer to get here because I'm ready to go back to the beach. So anyways, guys, I'm gonna end it here. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you are interested in any of these products, I will leave a link down below where you can find these items, as well as a coupon code. And I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.